recognised by All Pro Media Group for her dedication, brilliance and passion for the health and wellness field. For over 20 years, Bobby has trained individuals in a wide variety of professional and amateur levels. With the rising epidemic of obesity in America, it's a necessity for each one of us to reevaluate our habits and lifestyles. This is only the beginning of what Bobby can bring to your life. Founded 2007, Bobby's House of Balance is located on Roberta J. Schneider's skincare clinic in Sacramento, California. At Bobby's House of Balance, people can find the very best in private personal training. Whether it be post-rehab, weight loss, or overall health and wellness, Bobby can design an incredibly effective program to meet your needs. Bobby's vision doesn't just end here. She has now become the president of Roberta J. Schneider's skincare clinic. Roberta Schneider, Bobby's mentor, was at the forefront of the skincare industry for almost 50 years until her passing in 2011 from ovarian cancer. At the renowned Roberta J. Schneider Skincare Clinic, women and men of all ages can find the most effective and cutting-edge skincare products on the market while receiving expert recommendation from dedicated and knowledgeable staff. Bobby's commitment, enthusiasm, and passion for health and wellness is inspirational. All Pro Media Group would like to thank Bobby for her dedication to the wellness field and for helping people truly get their life back on track.